It's easy to get confused about Mount Pinos, the highest point of the San Emigdio Mountains in Ventura County's Los Padres National Forest. The county line with Kern County cuts across the top of the mountain, so some think it's also the highest mountain in that county, a few feet higher than the other mountain that holds that title, Sawmill Mountain. Mount Pinos is a completely bring-your-own, BYODIY, ski and snow sport area, with cross-country skiing and snowshoeing being the dominant activities. There are some slopes but no lifts, so it's not a great spot for downhill skiing. There are no lessons, no equipment rentals, and no amenities beyond portable toilets because the Mount Pinos ski area is a collaborative effort between the National Forest Service and the all-volunteer Mount Pinos Nordic Patrol that operates a base station on weekends in a building right at the parking lot. The reference point to look for is the Chula Vista Campground or parking lot at the very end of Mount Pinos Road. The Chula Vista parking lot is about 21 miles from the Frazier Park exit off Interstate 5 at the top of the Grapevine. Depending on weather and traffic conditions, it is about an hour and a half from Los Angeles. In addition to a trail map of ski and snowshoe trails, you'll need a National Forest Adventure Pass to park your vehicle, and you can get both at the Nordic Base on weekends, or at the Ranger Station in Frazier Park anytime. You can also get the Adventure Pass at any Big 5 sporting goods store before you head up, or stop by the Forest Service Mount Pinos Ranger District, Don's Liquor Mart, or Midway Market in Frazier Park to pick up daily, annual, and secondary passes. Check for current Kern County road closures before heading up as roads are not always cleared when it snows.